Hey guys, got something pretty cool I gotta show you. Check this out. So this is my computer. Look at that. First official vinyl for the vlog. Chelsea's dad put that together for us. Hey guys, so I am officially back in England now and just returned from my trip from Germany. It was a good trip overall. Just got a lot of job experience, and it was neat being able to run around Chelsea, go to the Black Forest, do that stuff. But it is so good being back home. So it's just all about being, back in your own bed and just familiar surroundings, that kind of stuff. In my free time for this TDY, I spend it trying to connect with other YouTubers and just trying to learn some tips and tricks and what they're doing, kind of figuring out more about their channels. So if you're coming to this channel from those groups, thank you for your time, and thanks for the feedback, being able to offer some advice to help me out. And also, Chelsea used her spare time to redecorate some of the house. So I'm gonna roll a clip here and kind of show you some of those updates. She's got a lot of stuff hanging on the walls and starting to look more like a home now. Today, there's a couple things I got to take care of, some errands, just getting back into it. But I wanted to start off the morning by turning in this little guy. This is a Geocache trackable item that I found when I was in Germany, and I had to drop it back off at a local stop. So on my way to drop them off, I figured I'd play a little bit more with that GoPro. I'm really enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. So this is another one of those time warp hyperlapse little clips there, just going around, and this is something that's going to be a lot of fun to use once we get to go on some future trips here.
Hi. So we are going to base right now. When I got back from Germany, I couldn't find my car and where I parked it, so I was kind of a mess because of that. So I walked to one end of the airport, and then I had to walk to the other end of the airport where my car was parked. So when I finally got to the car, I was relieved. I finally found it, and I got in the car, and then I went to start it, and it didn't start. So I called Kyle freaking out because I'm in England. I have no friends here yet.
What time was it? It was
8 o'clock at night, and the battery was dead. So I was upset and nervous, and I just paid for parking. How am I going to get home?
And this is my car too. This isn't
the Jeep. Golf. The Jeep wouldn't do this to me. Yeah, it was crazy. And then I tried it again, and I got the car to start, but it wouldn't reverse. So the car was running, but the car wouldn't reverse. So
Kyle, just going in gear.
Yeah, so Kyle said to turn it off, and then when I was turning it on the next time, to press the gas pedal down, and thankfully it worked. So I drove it for the rest of the week just to keep it running, and hopefully that would charge the battery up. And plus, my license plates on my Jeep, I'm getting them put on tomorrow, so I will officially be a UK driver. Yeah, so I'll have UK plates tomorrow, so I just felt more comfortable driving the Golf. But then I went to start it the day before. I picked Kyle up on Thursday, and the battery died again. So basically I had to drive the Jeep to the airport, which was what I was trying to avoid to do from the whole entire beginning, because you have to get a ticket. So I had to crawl across the entire car to come onto my right side to get the ticket for the airport.
Garage.
Yeah. But I mean,
fun stuff.
The Jeep has been a great car because it is a great car.
Yeah.
But yeah, so right now we are going to Auto Hobby on base so Kyle can charge his battery, and hopefully that fixes the problem and we don't have to buy a
Yeah, we're hoping just quick charge, get it back up and running. They had a couple of really cold days here. I don't think it got as cold as it did in Germany, but that's all it took. Was just a couple cold nights and the battery.
Today is really cold for me. I feel like it's one of the coldest days we've had, and it's 40 degrees. So
it's just
really,
windy too. So
yeah, it's not that bad. Exciting news on my part is I actually got a job.
Yay.
So I should be starting next Monday on February 4th, and I'm really excited. But I'll be working at the school on base. So I have spring break coming up in the next couple weeks, and we are going to
Ireland.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and figure this out. Since she's taken a week off, and before it wasn't an issue with her not working, we could just kind of go when I could take leave. But now we're going to try and take advantage of these breaks that she's got. So we figured we've been wanting to do Ireland for a while. Let's just figure it out and just get out there. So some of the areas that we're going to look at, and this is something that we're going to reach out and ask for advice from people that have been there, but want to focus on like the Ring of Kerry area. So it's going to be more like Southwest Ireland, and then just checking out a lot of the cool drives, and then just some kind of the scenic views, and then maybe staying a couple bed and breakfast, Airbnb kind of thing as we hop around. So I don't know if we're going to spend the whole week there, probably like a good 3-4 days or so. But as we research, kind of figure out where we definitely have to go. Killarney was like a big town. A lot of people were saying that we got to go check out. So we're going to fly into Shannon.
Or Cork.
And then kind of figure out the best route from there. Just really take our time driving around, and hopefully I can get some really cool drone footage of that area, and just some really cool photos to share.
Yeah. So stay tuned to see if Kyle somehow sneaks zip-off cargo or khaki pants into his luggage.
Yes.
Because he probably will bring them out. Who knows?
Yeah.
We'll wait and find out.
But right now the focus is getting my car back up and running. That would be awesome.
Yeah.
All right, we got the car battery dropped off. It's not gonna be ready till tomorrow. So right now we're just trying to burn some energy because the weather's a little gross outside. Trying to take these guys for a walk, but it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'm not sure if they miss me or not. Come on.
Can you